Living in Miami Beach means enjoying sunshine, ocean breezes, and stunning coastal views year-round. But it also means dealing with intense heat, high humidity, salt air, and hurricane season. For homeowners and property managers alike, choosing the right windows is critical to maintaining comfort, protecting your investment, and controlling energy costs. Energy-efficient vinyl windows are an increasingly popular solution for Miami Beach properties, offering durability, performance, and long-term value in a demanding coastal climate. Built to handle Miami Beach heat, Miami Beach experiences strong sun exposure throughout the year. Without efficient windows, solar heat can quickly build up indoors, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. Modern energy-efficient vinyl windows are designed with double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings. Argon gas between panes. Low E coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home while allowing natural light to enter. This helps keep interiors cooler, reducing cooling costs and improving comfort during peak summer months. For properties that rely heavily on air conditioning, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference in monthly energy bills. Superior insulation for year-round comfort. While Miami Beach is known for warm weather, consistent indoor temperature control is still essential. Vinyl window frames feature multi-chambered designs that improve insulation and reduce thermal transfer. This helps minimize heat gain from outside, prevent cool air from escaping, maintain stable indoor temperatures. Because vinyl is a non-conductive material, it doesn't transfer heat the way aluminum frames often do. This makes vinyl windows particularly effective in hot, coastal environments. Resistance to salt air and humidity. Salt air is one of the biggest challenges for Miami Beach homes. Over time, salt exposure can corrode metal components and degrade certain materials. Vinyl windows offer a major advantage in this environment. They resist corrosion, do not rust, withstand high humidity, resist warping and swelling. Unlike untreated metal frames, vinyl maintains its structural integrity despite constant exposure to coastal air. This reduces maintenance needs and extends the lifespan of your windows. Impact-resistant options for storm protection. Hurricane preparedness is a top priority in Miami Beach. Many energy-efficient vinyl windows are available with impact-resistant laminated glass. Impact-rated vinyl windows provide protection against flying debris, reduced risk of shattering, enhanced security, improved noise reduction. This combination of storm protection and energy efficiency makes vinyl windows a practical dual-purpose investment. Lower maintenance, long-term savings. Vinyl windows require minimal upkeep compared to wood frames, which may need repainting or refinishing in humid conditions. With vinyl, homeowners benefit from fade-resistant finishes, easy cleaning with mild soap and water, no sanding, sealing, or repainting. Long-lasting performance. Lower maintenance requirements mean fewer long-term costs and less time spent on upkeep. Noise reduction. For coastal living, Miami Beach properties often experience street traffic, nightlife, or ocean winds. Energy-efficient vinyl windows with insulated glass help reduce outside noise infiltration. The multi-pane glass and sealed frames create a tighter barrier, contributing to a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment. Boosting property value. Energy efficiency is a strong selling point in today's real estate market. Buyers in Miami Beach recognize the importance of hurricane protection, low maintenance, and cooling cost savings. Upgrading to energy-efficient vinyl windows enhances curb appeal, indoor comfort, long-term property value. Market competitiveness. For both residential homeowners and investment property owners, vinyl windows represent a smart upgrade. A practical choice for coastal performance. Miami Beach's climate demands windows that can handle heat, humidity, and salt air, without sacrificing style or efficiency. Energy-efficient vinyl windows deliver on all fronts. With superior insulation, corrosion resistance, impact protection, and low maintenance requirements, vinyl windows offer a reliable and cost-effective solution for coastal properties. If you're looking to improve comfort, reduce energy waste, and protect your Miami Beach investment, energy-efficient vinyl windows are a durable, high-performing choice built for coastal living.